Hi guys, in this video we talk about Honor Magic 6 Pro versus Honor Magic 6. The Honor Magic 6 launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. The dimensions: Honor Magic 6, height 6.37, width 2.97, thickness 8.1 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro have 229 gram and the Honor Magic 6 199 gram. The Honor Magic 6 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro build front and back glass and aluminium frame, and both mobile come with dual SIM and nano SIM card support. The display type: the both mobile come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen, and the screen size: Honor Magic 6 6.78 inches, Honor Magic 6 Pro 6.8 inches. The resolution is same 2K, a 1.5K screen resolution in both mobiles. The PPI density is same 453 in both mobiles. The Honor Magic 6 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: Honor Magic 6 91.2%, Honor Magic 6 Pro 91.6%. The protection: the both mobile come with Jorhino glass protection, and the both mobile come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these mobiles. The Honor Magic 6 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And Honor Magic 6 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. Let's go to the selfie camera. The Honor Magic 6 come with 50 megapixel selfie camera and record 4K 30 fps video, and Honor Magic 6 Pro come with dual camera setup, 50 megapixel and TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it record 4K 30 fps video with front camera. The platform: the Honor Magic 6 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of these devices: the both devices come with Adreno 750 GPU, and the operating system: the both mobile come with Android 14 and Magic OS 8. The memory of the devices: the both devices come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the storage: Honor Magic 6 come with 256GB and 512GB internal storage, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Honor Magic 6 come with 5450 mAh battery, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5600 mAh battery. It's come with Honor Magic 6 Pro 80W fast charging, and Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 60W 66W fast charging. The wireless charging: Honor Magic 6 come with 50W wireless charging, and Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 66W wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. Common and feature is same, but Honor Magic 6 Pro have Face ID also. The result of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 got 20 points and the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 26 points.